Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you all? Hope you are going well. Dear student, this is your geo teacher, and today we are coming back to our geo topic after the long break. Hope you have enjoyed a lot your long break, right? We are going to start a new topic today, that is about the new continent which we already discussed in the previous lecture, and that is Australia continent, right? So we are going to do the country of Australia continent. It is also the name of Australia. Okay, class. We have also learned about Australia something, 1 or 2 points of Australia in world. In fact, do you remember what is those 2 points? Two very important points. Do you know that? We will discuss it also. The first, Australia is the richest country in the world. What? It is the richest country in the world on number 5. And one more thing, let me tell you that Australia is also the largest country in the world by area, is on number 6. Okay, by area Australia is the 6th largest country in the world. Okay, I am not saying about the population, it's a area wise 6th largest country in the world. So this is your book, page 7. First of all, we are coming towards the topic. We are going to see the location of Australia. What? Location of Australia. Good. For location of Australia, we are going to start from where we will do the location of Australia. From which location? Let's suppose we are going to do the location of Australia from Asia continent. If you are going to do a location of Australia from Asia continent, let's suppose from Asia continent, Australia is located southeast of Asia. Where is it? Southeast of Asia. Okay, it is located southeast of Asia. Australia is the smallest continent. Okay, smallest continent Australia. The other important thing regarding to Australia is, guess what? The other thing of Australia regarding to the location, it connected how many continent? Connect how many oceans? Not continent, sorry. How many oceans? It's connect with 3 oceans. How many? 3 oceans. Number 1, Pacific. Number 2, Indian. Number 3, Southern. Okay, Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean. Now we will see that in which direction they are. For example, here we are in Australia, right? Australia. Okay, Australia is in the north east. You have Pacific, and you can say exactly east as well. Okay, north, east and east, Pacific. At the south, it's Southern Ocean. At the west and northwest and west is Indian Ocean. Okay, Indian Ocean. Now let's come to see, is Australia share any land border with any continent? So the answer is no, Australia is not sharing any land border with any continent. It is correct. No, it is not correct. Okay? Australia is sharing a land border with continent. But which continent? Only and only one continent, that is Asia. What? Asia. Yes. Australia sharing a land border with Asia continent. Land border. Land border with Asia continent. You can say that Australia is only connected with Asia continent by land. Okay, with Asia continent by land. And which direction? Australia, which is connected with Asia continent by land at north west. Okay, northwest side it is connected with Asia continent. Okay, do you know Australia is also known as Oceania? Okay, its old name you can say known as Oceania, जो आपको याद होगा हमने इंट्रोडक्शन पेज ऑफ ऑस्ट्रेलिया पे पढ़ा था. Remember? Yes. So here we are going to do the location of the country Australia, but remember, Australia continent and Australia country, both locations are same. Okay, so both locations are same. Now we are going to find out this location in the world or map or globe. Okay, जी बेटा, what is this? This is globe. What is this? This is globe. Good. Now we are going to do the location of Australia continent in the globe, but first of all we are going to revise the name of the continents. Remember how many continents we have? 7 continents. And how many oceans we have? 5 oceans. So 7 continents and 5 oceans. When we are going to start, look at here, this is the globe and this is Russia country. Do you know Russia country? And it is half divided into Europe and half divided into Asia. It is 2 continent country, right? Okay, now starting Asia. This is Asia continent full, and coming towards the west of Asia, this is, look, I am going to put it like this, and here in front of me there is Asia continent. Then coming to Europe continent, in the west of Asia we have Europe. Okay, in the northwest of Asia we have Europe. Then in the west of Europe we have water, and this water is known as Atlantic Ocean. Then in the west of Atlantic Ocean we have North America. This is the continent North America. And in the west of North America we have Pacific Ocean, right? And in the west of Pacific Ocean we have Asia continent. So like this the circle is complete: Asia, Europe, Atlantic Ocean, North America and Pacific Ocean, right? How many continents we have? Count 3. 1, 2 and 3. Now coming to the next continent. When we are coming towards the North America, then what we said, that at the south of North America we have South America. This is South America, which is at the south of North America. And then coming to the east of South America we have Africa continent. This is full Africa continent and it is the shape of 7. Look, shape of 7. It means it is Africa continent, right? And then coming to the east of Africa, it is Indian Ocean. Which water area? Indian Ocean. It is Indian Ocean. And look at this piece. Remember in Kenya location we have done introduction of Africa, that Africa has the largest island, and that is Madagascar. This is the Madagascar. Now it is Indian Ocean. Then coming to the east of Indian Ocean, you have there some countries which are known as the Asian countries and as well as Australian countries. Do you remember I give you the location of Australia? Southeast of Asia. This is Australia continent, what? Australia continent. And when you are going to fully turn the globe, it is Antarctica. Fully, it is Antarctica, right? But we have to do the location first. Australia, this is Australia continent. Now look, how many water areas? This Australia continent, here you have Southern Ocean, here you have Pacific Ocean, here you have Indian Ocean, right? Pacific Ocean ये सारा है आपके पास, Indian Ocean ये सारा है आपके पास, Southern Ocean ये सारा है आपके पास. This is the location of Australia continent and country as well. Clear? I hope all of you have cleared the location of Australia continent and country. Okay girls, now the location of Australia continent is clear, all of you, on globe, right? So I'm gonna show you the world map, that how to do or where is the location of Australia continent in the world map. This is the world map which we will do. This world map we are using for the practice to do the location of the countries. So according to this world map, as we know, we have north, south, east, west. Like I am going to draw here the location north, south, west and east. So here you have Australia continent from this way to come. These all area are the part of Australia continent. This is Australia. The watery areas, but I have marked there because it has islands. This is Asia and it is Australia. Clear? Australia continent. Now coming to the book for the topic, in your book, come to your book page number 26, 27. Page number 26 and 27. So first of all, on your book page, there is Australia continent. We will learn about the facts of Australia. First we will learn the facts of Australia. What is the capital of Australia? Canberra. Canberra is the capital of Australia. Australian dollar is the currency of Australia. Christianity is the religion. Christianity is the religion and English is the language of Australia. Clear? Okay. Now have a look. Australia country. The country Australia is the 6th largest country in the world. It is an island country. Its important cities are Sydney, Melbourne and Perth. High technology methods are used for farming in Australia. TECH is the short form of technology. Okay, high technology method are used. Huge cattle and sheep farms produce dairy product, meat and wool. A quarter of the world wool is produced there. Cricket is a popular game in Australia. Right? Grand Opera House. Grand Opera House in Sydney is most famous landmark and symbol of Australia. Some of the beautiful animals, kangaroo and koalas, can be found only in Australia. Kangaroo is also national symbol of Australia. Australian birds are very colorful, famous all over the world. It is a very rich country. Clear? I have discussed with you earlier that it is the 6th largest country by area and it is the richest country as well on number 5, 5th richest country. Clear? So this is about the topic of Australia country. I am going to show you the pictures of the currency of Australia, and there is also one picture I am going to show you about the Grand Opera House, which is the landmark and symbol of the country of Australia. And remember, the engineer John Utzon, who have the design of Grand Opera House, इसके पीछे भी एक पूरी स्टोरी है, वो हम नेक्स्ट टॉपिक में डिस्कस करेंगे. अभी मैं आपको सिर्फ पिक्चर्स दिखाती हूँ. ओके क्लास, this is the currency of Australia. Australian dollar is the currency of Australia. Okay, Australian dollar. So look at, there is a coin as well. 10, 20, 50 and 100 dollars है. ठीक है, करेंसी की अगर हम बात करते हैं तो ये उसकी $100 है. ये उनकी ऑल पिक्चर्स हैं 50 से 100 तक. ठीक है. Now coming to, this is the forms of cattle which we have in Australia, because Australia is also famous for its dairy product as well. So these are the dairy product of Australia. ठीक है, which export all over the world. Look at here, which things we have: eggs and butters and milk, and look, here is a cheese as well. Do you know cheese? Yes. Now coming to, this is the landmark of Australia, Grand Opera House. I have some pictures from the different directions, okay? Grand Opera House, this is also Grand Opera House. This is the man, which name is John Utzon. ठीक है, who is he? We will be discuss and learn in it about in detail, okay? This is engineer of Grand Opera House. When he designed Grand Opera House, he was young, and now this is the present picture of John Utzon. Okay, beta? I hope all of you have understand well regarding to the topic. Inshallah, we will be continuing the next class. Till then, good, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. All the best for your next class.